Tuesday's meeting between the Indus Water Treaty Commissions of the two countries was occupied with discussion regarding the construction of hydropower projects, Nimu Basgo and Chutuk in India. The Pakistani side recorded its reservations regarding construction of the hydropower projects.
हम समझते हैं कि ये जो प्रोसीजर रेजोल्यूशन का था उसको पूरी तरह अडॉप्ट नहीं किया गया और नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में जैसे ही हमें मौका मिलता है डिज़ाइन के साथ साथ हम प्रोसीजर को ठीक करने की या प्रोसीजर अगर गलत हुआ है तो उसको एड्रेस करने का जो भी अरेंजमेंट्स हैं उस पर जो है डेफिनेटली हम जो है वो बात करेंगे.
India has denied all allegations of violation of the treaty. Indian Indus Water Commissioner Aranganathan stressed that information about the hydropower projects has been provided to Pakistan from time to time and there has been no delay in this regard. Pakistan Indus Water Commissioner Jamaat Ali Shah suggested that two countries should include a third party to resolve the differences.
वो ऑब्जेक्शन डिस्कस करने के बाद अगर उसमें कन्वर्जेंस नहीं होती और एडजस्टमेंट जो है वो किसी न्यूट्रल अदारे से या कोई एक्सपर्ट्स जो मॉडल स्टडी में हमसे बेहतर जानते हैं वो अगर इस कंक्लूजन पर पहुंचते हैं कि एडजस्टमेंट ज़रूरी हैं तो मैं समझता हूं कि वो प्रोजेक्ट पर होनी चाहिए.
Jamaat Ali Shah has also requested for information on the agricultural land irrigated by the western rivers. But his counterpart says that India's usage of water inflow for agricultural purposes is negligible and is in accordance with the treaty.
It should not be a concern in Pakistan that due to agricultural uses in India, even during the lean season, there is going to be any big impact on that.
The next meeting between the two delegations will take place in New Delhi in the end of May this year, in which the two countries will discuss the pros and cons of the hydropower projects which India wants to pursue. Danial Hassan, Dawn News, Lahore.